How to set two videos to play together at the same time, like this here, side by side, using the InShot video editor app. So I'll show you how this works, and you can edit or adjust the videos how you want, but this is basically how you would go about adding two videos to play within one video frame and play at the same time. Make sure you have the latest update. It is 2025, and let's get started. When you're ready to do this, let's start from the home screen page here of InShot. Go to video, then you want to start with new. As you do this here, you'll always notice that to the top left there is the blank option. Go ahead and select that and press the check mark. Once you're here now, you will notice a blank clean slate down to the bottom section. So this is going to be like your frame, your base frame, which you can add photos or videos, but we want to add two videos to play together at the same time. And the first thing you want to do is first adjust the aspect ratio. So maybe those two videos playing side by side, they're going to be in a vertical format or horizontal format. So if you're doing this for like a YouTube video, you want to make sure you use this one here, the 16:9, and then press the check mark once you make the changes to it. Then to the bottom here, adjust how long those two videos are based on the time duration. So maybe your videos are about like 2 minutes long, then you want to make sure it reaches to 2 minutes long. For me, it's just going to be like about like 10 seconds just as a demonstration. All right. Now, once you're done with all of that, all these changes here, you're going to go ahead and add your very first video. So go over to where it says PIP, tap on it one time, and it's going to bring up all the videos that are found in your phone or device. And make sure you're selected under the video category. And as always, you can long press any of these to see or get an idea of what each of them are. So for me, I want to add this one here, so I'll hold it down and it's going to preview it. And the best thing of this is if your video is in a horizontal format, videos that are in a vertical format will be best to add playing side by side. So I'll add this first one here. And once you get it to be inserted like this here, you can now go ahead and adjust the size of it. So maybe you want to have it play at least half of the frame, and go ahead and place that over like that there. And you just adjust it to how you want it. Okay, so some of the content is gonna not show, but that's just how it works. And now I'll go ahead and add the second video. So I'll press this here, PIP, one time, and I'll select the other video I want. So I want this one here, and it's gonna appear the same way. And then you can just adjust the size of it or move it first, and then adjust the size of it and place it to where you want it to be, all right? Now, once you're done with all of these, and again, just as a demonstration, you can see they're both together, and you can go ahead and now have them playing together at the same time. If there's any changes you want to make, you can adjust either one of them, like the speed, the filter, the volume here for either one of them. You can do that. And of course, you can come back and adjust the edges to make sure they're both matching the same amount of duration time. And then once you're done with all these changes, you'll go ahead and save it as that. And that, my friends, is how you would go about having two videos play at the same time, side by side. Like and sub.